Let's be honest, taking a handgun class can be a little intimidating. Even though you're taking the class to improve your skills, you want to make sure that you bring the right gear to set yourself up for success. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 tools that you need for any handgun class. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Will Workman, and I'm on a mission to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see all of my other concealed carry training. Before we jump right into the tools that you need, if you are new to concealed carry, then I want to give you something that will really help you out. And that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. All right, so here are the 5 tools that you need for any handgun class. And make sure you stick around to the end because the last tool is by far the most important. The first thing that you need is a gun. But just to be clear, you don't need just any gun. You need a gun that you shoot well. Now, I understand that you're taking the class to learn, so I'm not saying that you need to be an expert by any means, but you at least need to shoot your gun enough to know if you like it or not. Please don't make the mistake of taking a class with a gun that you hate. You will be frustrated and miserable. Your skills will be developed during the class, but if you're scared of your gun or your gun is painful to shoot, you need to find something with less recoil to start with so that you feel more comfortable. There's no shame in taking a class with a .22 to get the basics before moving up. The second thing that you will need is a quality, safe holster. Now, some instructors will have specific standards to make sure every student uses a safe holster, and others will leave it up to you. But please, for your safety and for the safety of all of those around you, get a safe holster. Now, what do I mean by a safe holster? In order for a holster to meet my safety standards, it must do 3 things. It must hold the firearm securely, cover the trigger guard completely, and allow you access to the firearm consistently. If you want more info on that, then check out my video on choosing the right holster after this video. Before we get to number 3, if you want to get faster with your handgun, then you need a shot timer. In order to improve your speed, you need to be able to measure your speed. My absolute favorite is the Range Tech shot timer. It's simple to use, it connects to my phone through Bluetooth, and it's the most affordable shot timer anywhere. Check them out in the link down below. All right, number 3 is quality ammo. Typically, the instructor will let you know how many rounds you need for the class, but it's better to have extra than not enough. Learn from my mistake and buy quality ammo, not the cheapest aluminum junk that you can find. I did a training class and a competition match with cheap aluminum ammo, and let's just say I learned my lesson. I spent a lot of valuable time clearing malfunctions and using a rod to get spent rounds out that were stuck in my barrel. Don't be an idiot like me. Get good ammo. Number 4 is quality eye and ear protection. Do you see a theme here? Buy eye protection made with some rubber, not just the cheap hard plastic. Your nose will thank me later. For ear protection, if you buy the cheap disposable earplugs, honestly, they're great for about an hour, and then they're really uncomfortable. So get yourself a set of electric earmuffs, preferably with gel pads. Electric ears allow you to hear the instructor clearly while cutting out the harmful sound of gunfire. They're pretty amazing. After an 8-hour day of instruction on the range, you'll be very thankful for the comfort of good electric ears. I'll link a couple of different kinds that I like in the description below. And number 5, and this is by far the most important, a good attitude. It may sound simple, but this can truly make or break your training experience. This is the biggest determining factor in what you will get out of the class. And I'm not just talking about being respectful to the instructor and other students, although of course that's important too, but I'm talking about your attitude toward your own efforts and learning curve. If you get frustrated, talk down to yourself, compare yourself to others, it can completely destroy your ability to learn. Have fun with it. If you try something and you suck the first time, laugh at yourself and move on. The whole point of taking a class is to see what you need to work on so that you can start improving. So be nice to yourself. Take these items with you to your class and you will do great. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be courageous, and let everything you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.